It is a shaky session here on Wall Street as we are in OPEX week, option expiration week, so there's going to be some increased volatility, but also coronavirus fears are also sending some jitters into the market. We are seeing the Dow swing in and out of losses. We do have some more clear answers in the Forex though. The Aussie is in focus today and is under pressure. Short positions below 0.7295 favored, targets at 0.7250 and 0.7235 in extension. The pound is under pressure while the dollar-yen's upside prevails. Bitcoin's upside prevails today as well, as long as 17,767 is support. And gold is under pressure. Short positions are favored today below 1868.50, targets at 1848.25 and 1838.75 in extension. Follow Trading Central on Twitter for all of your Forex market updates. For Trading Central Web TV, I'm Olivia Vaz.